coffee, you need some creamer. Bailey's.
Bailey's Life. This recipe is brought into you by...
Sponsored by Jameson.
Sponsored by Jameson. Really? I have never heard of this Van Gogh thing. But that's where most of the coffee taste is coming from, right?
Mm-hmm.
The Van Gogh.
You see, you're getting drunk while enjoying coffee.
You wake up while falling asleep. When you drink alcohol, does it wake you up, Kuya Mark, or does it make you fall asleep?
I don't know. I don't know what the effect of this.
Yeah.
You see, double espresso. Probably you're in the middle, you want to go sleep and...
But your eyes are open. Dude, look at this mixer. It's a Starbucks tumbler though. I like it. We're going the full coffee experience. Mm-hmm. Look at that shake and bake. Yes. Yes. Starbucks. Whoa. Look at that. That looks like cookies and cream. Perfect.
Alright.
To the rim.
Right.
So this is Irish coffee. Who told you about this recipe?
Ardell.
Ardell. I haven't met you, but he's older than me, right?
No, you're older.
Oh, I'm your kuya. Whoa.
Is it okay?
Like the Jameson is there?
The Jameson is there, but it's still sweet.
How much Jameson they should put?
But the thing here...
Oh, but everything is alcohol.
Everything is alcohol.
Except for the ice. The ice isn't alcohol. If there was alcoholic ice, that'd be crazy.
Yeah. That's it.
Wow. Well, let's cheers, man. I think this is a success. I like it. Kevin, you better be ready. This is gonna be your birthday drink. This is oh, let me drink then.
After our bar, we're gonna chill like this.
Sounds good. I like it. It's sweet. You get like that coffeeness from you know, that Van Gogh Expresso right there. I don't know. What else can you say? It's like a Starbucks alcoholic. The only thing that's missing is like a gold star or some boba. Ooh, good idea. Good. Thank you.
Good.
Yeah. Well, that's us trying to vlog. Yes. Good stuff. Good stuff. Nice. Look at this setup, man. That is what it takes to make this. Yes. And by the way, cheers, man. This wouldn't be possible without the love
from Kuya Peter and Kuya Adesina.
Yeah. Thank you for helping us make this drink indirectly.
Cheers.
Cheers.